Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, how are you
I'm
today?
fine, sir. Thank you. And you?
Oh, okay, good. Who absent is today?
Nobody, sir.
Okay, please help me to clean the whiteboard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Haidar.
You are welcome, sir.
Okay, student, today we are going to discuss about space geometry.
Okay, sir.
Okay, student, after today's lesson is over, hopefully they can know and understand the geometry of space. Okay, let's do it. Please open your mathematics textbooks at page 34. Prepare your writing book and the writing tools that you will use. Do you know what the geometry of space is? Okay, geometry is the science that discusses the relationship between lines, angles, planes, and space dates. Okay, we are discuss about a position of points, lines, and planes in space. Point 1. Position of the point against the line. A point can be located on line of outside the line. If the point is on a line, the distance of the point is 0, and if the point is outside the line, the distance is calculated as perpendicular to the line. Okay, for example, I will draw. Please see. Okay, for example, in the picture above we know a point P with a respect to the line G. Point P has a distance from line G as far as the dashed line P to P accent, where P accent is the perpendicular projection of point P on line G. Okay, next, point 2. Position of the point adjacent to the plane. A point can be located on a plane or outside the plane. If the point is a plane, the distance of the point is 0. And if the point is outside the plane, the distance is calculated as a perpendicular to the plane. Okay, for example, I will draw. For example, in the figure above we know a point P with respect to the plane P. So the point P is offset the plane P so that it is a distance from the plane P as far as the perpendicular line P to P accent, where P accent is the perpendicular projection of the point P on the plane P. Okay, next, point 3, position the line against the line. Two lines can be cited as follows. Intersect if the two lines meet at a point. Coincide if all points passed by line G are also crossed by line H. Parallel if the two lines are on the same plane and will not meet at a point. Cross if each line is in a plane that crosses perpendicular to each other. Next, point 4. Position of the line against the plane. Located on the plane if all the lines are on the plane so that all points on the line coincide with the points on the plane. There is no distance between the line on the plane. Parallel to the plane. If all points on the line are the same distance to point A or on the line to point A accent on the plane is equal to the distance point P on the line to point P accent on the plane. Cut the plane if the line and plane are perpendicular to each other. Point 5. The position of the field to the field. The squeeze if all the points are in the plane alpha are in the field beta. Parallel if all points on both planes are at the same distance. Intersect if the two fields meet on a line. Okay, I have two problems. Problem 1. You are given the cube ABCDEFGH with a rib length of 8 cm. Calculate the distance of the IA line to the BDHF plane. Okay, the distance of the IA length to the PTHF plane is represented by the length of the AP to AA and AP to PTHF. For AP equal half AC equal is half multiplied 8 root 2 and equal is 4 root 2. So the distance from A to PTHF equal 4 root 2 centimeter. Okay, problem 2. Determine the distance between the I high line and the PTGF plane. We look the picture, we know if AP is the distance between the I highland and the plane PGKF. So distance between I highland and the plane PGKF is 8 centimeter. So it is clear with the solution of the example above. If it is clear, please open your mathematics book on page 38. Do the problems as your homework. Okay, please study hard and see you next Friday. Thank you for your attention. Good afternoon.